Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify heat maps and sessions with Hotjar, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with verifying heat maps and sessions in Hotjar, first, log into your Hotjar account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Heatmaps tab in the left sidebar and click on it. Here, you will see a list of your existing heat maps. Choose the heat map you want to verify by clicking on its title. After selecting the heat map, you will see an overview of the recorded data. Scroll down to review the heat map visual, which represents user interactions. You can filter the heat map by device type, such as desktop, tablet, or mobile. Next, look for the Sessions tab in the left sidebar and click on it. In the Sessions section, you'll find a list of recorded user sessions. Select a session to view detailed playback of the user interactions. As the session plays, observe how users navigate through the site. Take notes on any unexpected behaviors or patterns you notice. To verify the accuracy of your heat map data, cross-reference it with the session recordings. Note any discrepancies between the heat map and the actual user sessions. This will help you identify areas that may need improvement. Once you've completed your review, make sure to document your findings. Finally, use this information to optimize your website for better user engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.